My dear students, standard 4, we will read Ice Cream Man. The subject is English, the chapter is 5. So, we have already read reading practices on yesterday. Today we will read and I will start you to understood, make you understood. So that Ice Cream Man. When summer is in the city and brings avail of heat, that means in summer season or in a hot season, the hot becomes so hot that you can't move on the street, so that it is a burning, the hot is burning fiercely. That means even you can't walk on the street. So that in hot season, that means in summer season, so ice cream men are seen in the street. Yes or no? You must have seen when you got the ice cream at your doorstep. That means the ice cream man comes to you with his ice cream cart to give you the ice cream. Understood, my student? So when the summer is in the city, only in summer season you will get the ice cream man and ice cream trolley. Without that summer, you never find the ice cream man and the trolley at your doorstep or at your village, at your street. You never find. You can't never find. So in summer season only you can find the ice cream man at your doorstep. So that the ice cream man with his little cart. Cart means vehicle driven by man. ठेला गाड़ी, that is called in Odia ठेला गाड़ी. That means a vehicle driven by man goes trundling down the street. Trundling down means moving heavily and slowly. That means it goes according to the force of that driver who drives the vehicle, drive the cart. So that it moves at the driver's willingness. So when he will try to make it running, it will run heavily. When he will try to make it run slow, it will make it run slow. So that it is moving is trundling. Understood, my dear students? So that goes trundling down the street beneath his round umbrella. That means the ice cream man always have a round umbrella on his head, which is fixed in that cart. Please look at the picture. This is the cart, ice cream cart. This is the ice cream man, and this is the round umbrella which is fixed in that cart. So beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight! That means you can see, look at the picture. You can see that is the ice cream box, ice cream cart, and this is the ice cream man, and who is standing under the round umbrella which is fixed in the ice cream trolley or ice cream cart. So it is very decent to look, or it is a very joyful sight. It is a very joyful scenery. It is a very amusing scenery to see him fill in the cones with mounts. That means to see him fill the cones with the mounts. That means cone is a cone type of ice cream are there, in which the mounts of cones are kept in that cart or in that trolley. So he is showing that cone ice creams to the customers, to the children to take it. Of cooling brown and white. That means the colors of the cones are maybe are cooling and also brown and also white also. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, the name of the ice creams. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry are the names of the ice creams and cones. Or chilly things to drink. That means all these things were very chilly, but very cold to drink. Chilly things to drinks. From bottles full of frosty fizz. That means bottles of full of frosty fizz. This is the frosty fizz. Full green, orange, white, pink. Green, orange, white, pink colors are there, and you can have a chilly drinks. Chilly drinks. His cart might be a flower bed. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas. That means this is the flower bed. He has decorated his ice cream cart, ice cream trolley with some flowers, roses and sweet peas. The way the children cluster around, that means on the way when the ice cream man is passing on the street, the children are covering around him. That means the children are rounded him. The children have rounded him to buy the ice cream from the ice cream man. So the way the children cluster around means covered around him or standing, gathering all the sides or rounding to that ice cream man to get a ice cream which they are expecting from him. The way the children cluster around as thick as honeybees. That means it is compared with the honeybees who are clustering around about the fins, about the fans or about the honey hives. Honey hives, in honey hives, the bees covered around thickly. So, like that, honey bees, the honey hives, the ice cream man is covered with the children who are looking like the honey bees and covering out the hives of the honey. So that this is the things to you. This is the ice cream man's nature. This is the ice cream man's surroundings. This is the ice cream man's about the ice cream man's about the ice cream man's scenery. The scenery which has been written by a poet, that is Rachel Field. Rachel Field has described about a ice cream man, how in summer season he is coming to sell his ice creams and that scenery is looking. He has described in this poem, The Ice Cream Man. Have a nice day, my dear students. We have already completed, so it is a very interesting poem for you, and you will do it, read it and practice it at home, and you have to understand the word meanings and keep it in your mind, the meanings of difficult words. I will ask you on tomorrow. If there is any doubt, let me know in our online classes app which is provided to you. Have a nice day. Thank you.